If you are wondering if we have AI camera on Xiaomi 15T Pro, then the answer is yes, we have certain AI tools and AI plugins, if I can call it like that, that are used by the camera on this phone. For example, if we zoom all the way in using, let's say, like a pretty huge zoom, like 40x or something, then we can actually enable the ultra zoom, which is an AI tool that is used, or AI feature that is used to enhance the quality of the ultra zoom. Of course, the quality still will be questionable, to say, if I can say it like that, but definitely we can call it an AI tool over here. Besides that, we can find some other stuff in settings. For example, if we go to the camera settings over here, we have AI recommendations where we have extended depth of field, we have that ultra zoom option, we have the QR code scanner, but this is pretty standard. I'm not sure if that's actually AI, and we can be notified about orientation. And yeah, maybe if we go through these camera settings, so we can find some other stuff that can be theoretically called AI features, but I'm not really sure if that's really the case. At least Xiaomi didn't decide to call them like that, or at least I didn't find anything more than that. Maybe if we go to video mode, we can find something more, but no, not really. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.